Welcome back to another one of our videos. In today's video, we're making 7 mashed potatoes. So to begin, you want to start off with peeling your potatoes and transferring them into a glass bowl. Next, we are going to give the potatoes a quick wash in the sink. Make sure that you wash them thoroughly, and afterwards, transfer them to a stock pot. Fill the potatoes with water. So we are now getting ready to cook them. Make sure you cover them and cook the potatoes until they are forked through. Next, you want to drain your potatoes carefully. Then gather your other ingredients such as your creamer. Now we're going to melt the butter. Once the butter is completely melted, we're going to add in the potatoes. Season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Next, we are going to continue with the seasoning process and give the potatoes a quick stir. Smash the potatoes with a potato smasher. Now we're going to add in our creamer. Continue to mash the potatoes and make sure that all of the ingredients along with the creamer is well incorporated. Continue mixing until you reach your desired consistency. So now we're going to transfer the potatoes into a bowl so that we can enjoy this deliciousness, this creamy southern mashed potatoes that you've made to enjoy with your family. Garnish it with butter or parsley flakes and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.